Let me shave real quick. Alright, this. I don't even fucking shave. I need to go shave. Fuck. Hey, good morning, Team Bliss. We back. We back. Oh, your boy just got back from doing a little vaccine shot. You already know. God damn, that actually hurt. Boys, your boy's got tattoos and that. But god damn, I hate needles. I'm terrified of needles. That shit hurt more than a tattoo. But yeah, I have a little boo boo here. I would show you guys, but I don't want to take off my hoodie. So yeah, I told you guys we're back with another video. If you guys aren't following the Instagram already, you already know the vibes. You already know what to do. Bloop, bang! In that corner, give us a follow, guys. Keep up to date. We're posting every day. Some reels, funny stuff for you guys. I've been trying to keep up, you know. Like I've been telling you guys, trying to be more. Fuck my English, bro. Fuck. God damn. Alright. Like I was saying, I'm just trying to put more content out there for you guys. So I've been making reels, been editing up some photos, so those will be dropped out very soon. But for today's video, if you guys didn't see that in my little clip yesterday, guess what came? I don't know, can you guys guess what it is? Guess what it is? Guess what it is?
Lip spoiler!
It's this cat! What the fuck? Whoa, kick back a bit, Rogan. God damn, sorry about my language there. But yeah, new part came in, but before I do that, I just want to talk about the giveaway. I want to announce the giveaway. Just want to say stay bliss. Thank you guys so much for 500. We hit the big 500. We hit that on Instagram. So I just want to say a big bliss to you guys. Thank you so much for your support, your follows, your love, just everything, eh? Like, means so much to me, so I have all you gotta do to be in the giveaway. First, let me tell you what you're gonna win in case you don't want to be in the giveaway, because yeah, so we're at 500. Might not be big to you guys, massive to me. So we'll start off a little small and we'll gradually get bigger and bigger to hopefully we can be giving away, like, you know, a fucking drift car or some shit like that. That's the dream one day. I want to be giving you guys something like that. That's my goal, that's my plan. But anyway, we'll start it off with a baby drift car. So we got two. I don't have it on me because I ordered them last night when I hit the 5. I should have been prepared for this, but we run on Asian time. We aren't prepared for anything, as you guys already know. So we got a little R32 Hot Wheels and a little S14 Hot Wheels, and it got some Bliss stickers. So those two things will be given away to. I'll probably give. We'll go two winners, eh? We'll go two winners. So first winner will get a S14 and a. I wish it was a real S14, guys. S14 Hot Wheels and some Bliss stickers, and then second winner R32 Hot Wheels and some stickers. So all you gotta do, you gotta be subscribed to my channel and you gotta be following Instagram. So I'll probably give us like 2-3 days so that everyone can see the giveaway details, stuff like that. It's nothing special, but yeah, that's just what I want to do for the big 500 for me. But yeah, make sure you guys are subbed to the YouTube. I will be DMing your Instagram and then asking you to send me a screenshot that you're subbed. So you can be cheeky, send me a screenshot, then unsub. But that's alright, because I like that, you know, you still sub to me and shit, so you know the vibes. Let's go. You guys came to this video for one thing and probably one thing only. Enough about the giveaway. Getting back to us, back to the GTR. You can probably tell by the title of the video. But yeah, we got a spoiler for a spoiler. So yeah, I don't know you guys like. I don't know if you guys like it. I do. I watch it on YouTube, unboxings and that. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing, and then we'll see how it goes. If it comes broke, then we're gonna send it back, and you guys are gonna see it on video together. But yeah, just a massive box, eh? So let's get to opening this. Just want to say I did not open it. It's not been opened. I just ripped off my Addy, so you guys can't find out where I live, because wouldn't want that. So yeah, let's cut to the opening. My missus wants to help us unbox, so I just set it up in front of our bench, because we ain't got no bench work up in here. You already know the vibe. So yeah, just say hello to our little friend. Oh, say hello to my missus first. Kia ora. And then we're gonna say hello to our little friends first. So we got Sakura, Naruto, and we got Sasuke. Sasuke, Maluki, Katuki. Fuck, I'm an idiot. So yeah, we got our little family here, guys. You know the vibes. But yeah, let's get straight into this box. He's just getting into the unboxing. So let's do this. Don't open it yet, eh?
Yeah.
Let's keep it closed. Sweet.
Ready?
Yeah, go. Ta-da! Some bubble wrap, boys. We paid $300 for some bubble wrap. Let's go. You're another vibe. Alright, let's get this on the floor. And then let's bring it. So yeah, let's just do a one-man thing over here. Can you guys tell what it is? If you didn't already, we did buy a. Man, shout out to the homie, man. Good packaging, brother. Good packaging.
Ready?
Ta-da! Sheesh! Look at that, boys. God damn. Look at that shit. God damn, that's beautiful. Ooh. Can you guys see myself? Hello. If you guys can probably tell, it's a Gurney flap. So yeah, I'm actually so stoked. I'm actually so stoked, bro. Came from Wellington, so it's a genuine carbon fiber and shit. That looks hella dope. I've always wanted a Gurney flap for the GTR spoiler. So it's gonna be sick. I don't know how we're gonna install it today, because as you guys probably already know, everything in New Zealand's closed. Super cheap, buddings, all that stuff, all closed. So I can't get double-sided tape. I have a drill. Gonna drill into it today. Drill into the GTR spoiler today. So we're gonna try to do that. It should be alright, hopefully. But yeah, let's get outside. Let's mock it up, see how it looks. But yeah, I'm so stoked to bring you guys more content. Let's go. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. God damn. As you guys can tell, your boy was at American Idol, or should I say New Zealand Idol. God damn, it's bright. Alright. Yeah. You guys can tell. Beautiful 32. She's holding it up. Let's see how this looks, eh?
Wow.
So no. So you wanna
No.
mock it up like that. We're just gonna try and mock it up real quick. Yeah, just scratch it. Sorry, push it down. Yeah. Leave it like that.
Yeah. Wow.
Sheesh! Look at that. Let's go. Yeah, this is so sick. Look at that. Oh, I don't know how people feel about having a Nismo boot lip and then the Gurney flap and then a roof wing. Might be too much for some people, but hey, 15-year-old, 16-year-old me, 12-year-old me, whatever. It looks so sick. We're gonna keep it like that. We're gonna rock it like that. Fuck, boys. That honestly looks so insane. I don't know if you guys, I can't really get on camera with the carbon fiber. But look at that. Like, the car hella dirty, but that hella clean. Dirty, clean. Dirty, hella clean. Hella beautiful. Hella handsome. Hella gorgeous. Hey, am I right? Am I right, Gil? Am I right, boy? But yeah. Look at that, look at that. So, now the goal is, now that you guys seen it mocked up, we're gonna go try find some screws. I'm gonna go grab the drill. We're gonna go find some double-sided tape. I don't know if we have any, but we'll try to figure that out. I kind of scratched the GTR spoiler, putting it on, but I bet it looks hella good, it looks hella good. Fuck, I'm so stoked. Let's go. Your boy. Ooh, into the little shed. Yeah, so I need this. Oh, sorry. Let's grab this out of here. Let's just put that there. Now the hard part. Need to find some baby screws, eh? It's pretty dark in here, boys, but fuck it. Found the tape, found the screws, let's go. Got everything. I want to use these ones, so it's a little bit longer. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, the heads in them, fuck man. But yeah, alright, let's do it. We got everything, boys. Now that the fun part's over, oh whoa! Now that the fun part's over, my missus left me to do the hard part, so that's fine. That's fine. So we grab our little box. You already know the vibes, and we back at it. We back at it. So as you guys can see, she looked hella sexy. I'll do a little cinematic roll at the end. I'm gonna leave you guys here, right on the spoiler. Right on the spoiler. So I'm just gonna pop off the gurney flap. Oh shit, nearly dropped the camera at the same time. Dang. I don't know if you guys can tell. I like fully scratched today, like fully scratched. Let me try. Bro, my camera is so bad. Can you guys see that? Bro, that's crazy, man. And look at this one. Fully messed that up too. Like, god damn. So, I'm just by myself, so it's kind of hard with this big ass camera. Damn, I'm sorry, my camera ran out of memory, so that's why I cut out. I am inside now. I just want to show you guys where I'm actually going to line the tape before I do it, because I am going to do it one hand and put the camera down and stuff. So got some double-sided tape. I'm going to line it up along this whole thing, along the whole top, and I'll probably try to get a strip underneath there. Nah, fuck the strip underneath there. Yeah, nah, fuck the strip Bro, your boy's so haggard, eh? But fuck it. I'ma just, and then I have some screws as well, so we might screw that in, we might not. Probably should. I don't want anyone stealing it. But as of today, I think I'll just double-sided tape, get it all on, and then yeah, I kind of might get my missus to come out because I wanted to film it all. But yeah, let's do it. Daddy. So, got the missus, as I told you guys. I showed you guys where I'm gonna line it. I'm just gonna line it like along this whole front, and then I won't worry about the top, and then we'll just go chuck it on. And then another day when we come back to cleaning the car, we will actually screw it on so no one can actually bonk gang our shit. But as of for now, it's just gonna be in my driveway, so we're just gonna stick it all up. So let me just stick all this on real quick. As you guys can tell, I don't know how to make straight lines, so I can't open my eyes wide enough. Alright? Don't hate. So yeah, just gonna chuck that on. Mrs. probably thinks I'm fucking weird, but it's all good. Now that that's on, I'm just gonna quickly do some cuts and then we'll see you guys outside, eh? Let's go. As you guys can see, straight red line, straight all the way down, and we'll just pop it straight on. So I'm just gonna leave it like half, not even half, like a quarter done, and then we can just pull it out when it's ready. But as of now, let's just slide this in. See how tight this thing is, guys? Look at that, it's so tight here. So I'll come on this side here. We're just gonna try and line it up as best as possible. I think that's straight as fuck.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get that, boys. Red tape, I'm just gonna peel it all the way off. There you guys go. And now we're just gonna smack it on like this. And there you go. That's like a real easy way from now to just leave it on. But yeah, she's not going nowhere. What do you guys think? Do you enjoy it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Personally, I fucking love it. Yeah, see this bit needs to come up a bit more. But like Yeah, I'm trying to like, so the only way for me to really get it on there now is to screw it. So I'm probably gonna wait for a later day to do that. But yeah, right now she looks alright. We'll just leave it like this for now. Yeah, I'm so stoked. I'm so stoked. Sorry if it wasn't the best video for you guys today. I fucking loved it. I enjoyed it. It's not much. I can't really do much with not many exciting things. So yeah, there's a spoiler for the GDR spoiler. Let's cut to some cinematics and then I'll see you guys in the next video, eh? You already know. Keep kicking at your boy Bliss. Stay blessed, stay humble, stay bliss. Let's go.
She make it clap. I got the strap. 21 gats. Feel like I'm savage. 21 bitches and none of them average. I'm gonna fuck me tonight, me a bad bitch. I don't give a fuck about niggas. I don't give a fuck about hoes. I don't give a fuck about your bros. I don't give a fuck about your toes, your hoes, your manicure, pedicure toes. I'm coming on the block with the rocks. 20-inch Glocks in my socks. Niggas keep doing that crazy ass shit. If I go to jail, I'ma keep it locked in the sock. I got that from Ken. All of my hoes they spend on me. All at the mall, I'm bending and bending.